Hello, I'm Kitty Busya, and this is my new format, and this is my recipe for my mom and dad. This is homemade burger-like in our favorite fast food. We need just chicken, salad, tomato, and 2 main sauces. Chicken fillet after cutting, dip well in breadcrumbs. And fry it in olive oil. You can also use deep frying, but I like the version in the video better. At the same time, you can prepare a preparation for the trump card in this dish, Colby Jack sauce. Keep an eye on the chicken so it doesn't burn. So, for the sauce, you need 200 grams or 2 sticks of butter, melted over low heat. Everything that is done over low heat comes out tastier. Now add a glass of flour. You can add it evenly. Stir it with a whisk right away. Actually, this is bechamel, but here we add cheese. I like mozzarella, but then it's up to you. Slowly and steadily, add milk and stir until it reaches a viscous consistency, just like what I got. Don't overcook the chicken. Remove it and let it rest a bit before assembling. Before assembling, you need to make another tasty sauce. I would call it an additive. Not really a sauce, but it is one of the main highlights. There is nothing complicated about it, just lime juice and cilantro. I used parsley. Also, don't forget that you need to make the buns crispy using the same butter. Don't overdo it, otherwise it won't be tasty to eat burnt bread. Now prepare the vegetables. Lettuce, tomato. You can use the lettuce to your taste. My parents like Chinese cabbage the most. As for tomatoes, the main thing is that they are red. Finally, let's prepare the burger. The very first thing you need to do is put a good amount of sauce on the bun. Don't be stingy with it, because the burger is quite filling. Then press the lettuce there for even more juiciness, and so that the sauce does not leak out. Then tomatoes and chicken on them. The assembly recipe is from Bikini Bottom itself. Spread lime and parsley on the chicken, and then put the top bun with a large amount of sauce. And hooray! You can eat it! It turned out very tasty. For this recipe, I was given a very tasty salmon stick. It was as tasty for me as it was for my parents after this burger. I wish everyone a bon appetit and bye-bye.